Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, April 30th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. So Amazon earnings come out. Looks like they're up. It went all over the place, the NQ, right after they came out. But more important than Amazon's earnings as of right now is what transpired today. Pretty heavy, look, good range. This is our third largest range of the year, believe it or not. $7.53 in SPY and ES. So it's our third largest range of the year. Volume still only 70 million. Horrible. Not even average yet. So we're getting ranges, but not volume recently. We go out with a double distribution day down. We go out with a nice price probe late in the day in M period, ripping below L's low. Righty goes out. Righty gapped lower today and held it. They go out with an afternoon rally high in J and a price probe. NQ goes out with a double distribution day and a price probe, same as ES. ES has a poor high. SPY does not. Going into Fed Day tomorrow, all three of our indices are in balance on all three of their time frames. So between the Fed tomorrow, then Apple tomorrow night, we have JOLTS tomorrow, you have non-farm payroll Friday. So I'm hoping by Friday's close, we've come out of this balance at least on the daily and maybe even on the weekly if we get any really good movement. Inside week up so far. Didn't do well yesterday. So far, absolute failure today, obviously. So we never took out yesterday's, Friday's high today. Okay? We tried to, but we never got it. Our volume POC, I think, stayed up here in ES, which is amazing. Had a good day, an okay day. You know, this day was pretty accommodating, but it was a little weird. For this is my type of day. I love these type of days. I had an okay day. I'm not saying I didn't, but for the type of day it was, which is really accommodating with single prints. They tried to rally an F for your afternoon rally high. It's obviously the upper end of the lower distribution. And then you go out lower in POC and going out with a price probe. I wasn't much happening in M early, and I actually shut my DOMs down. I'm like, I had a decent day. I don't want to do anything. And then all of a sudden it ripped. And I probably would have jumped on board as short to fill that gap in NQ that finally filled. I mean, ES had such trouble getting the gap and other reference points. You can tell how the short-term traders were fully in control. Before I get to my trading real quick, it is April 30th. My new website should be up and running by tomorrow. So today is the last night to take advantage of that special I offered through PayPal and Venmo. $80 for the quarter. $225 for the year. Now, I will still be offering Venmo and PayPal options when you go on my website, but it's going to be more than that, and going through the website is definitely going to be more than that, okay? So take advantage of that. Sign up tonight. We've had a bunch of people sign up, so I'd love to see you guys and gals join. Okay, so I had a good day today. The only loss I had was in C period, and it really ticked me off in NQ, but I had to take it off. I'll go over it in a minute. The reason it ticked me off is because it rolled right back over. But I took advantage of that when it finally did roll over. So, but that one kind of threw me for a loop. I did take a short in A period. I only traded NQ today. I shorted NQ against yesterday's POC when A period ran up. Figured that would be a speed bump, okay? And it turned out that it was, and I got paid on it. Then in B period, I did take a long to pop A's high. That's all I wanted to do. It's the only reason I took it, to see if we were going to pop A's high. It worked, I got out. And now C period. C period was hanging around. It got the IB low. I'm like, okay, on pushes up now. I thought against the 144, I shorted it at 43. I added it 60. Took them off at 65 and it went to 79. But then right after that, rolled over and then there she went. The good news is I did jump on D period. And with the ebb and flow, to get C's low and to get the ebb and flow and to get the overnight low, I jumped in short and had a very good D period. I shorted E period for the same reason, because of the singles. I shorted G period also because of the singles. I did long I period. I thought we would take back. Market was having trouble getting a little lower there. I thought we would stop the one-time framing again and fill the triple distribution, which we did. Now, I was looking to short this market again, but it didn't get high enough for me. I thought we would hold the singles. ES probably got high enough, but I hadn't traded it. I was looking more NQ. I thought NQ would get to between D's low and G's high. I thought that'd be a nice short. Never did. Didn't get on board. And then again, we really flatlined here. We got 7 wide here. But, and ES is 7 wide too. That's wrong. It flatlined. I didn't think we were going to get this aggressive in M. I was quite surprised. However, still a good day overall. So, no complaints. As far as destinations, so we have L period is our price probe at 504.20. And then we have single prints, 507.04 to 508.11. And today's high at 509.56. Another thing SPY did not get, ES, they have a 19 wide POC. In fact, let's go back to ones on here now. I wanted to show you. So we still have a 19 wide overnight. That did not get hit. Okay? So that's being carried forward. Our downside today is 502.03. In ES, our high is 41.25, and it's poor. 42.75, or no, actually 42.25 is our 19 wide overnight. Our single prints start at 15.50 and get filled at 26.25. Our price probe is at 86.75. Then we have today's low of 65. We just missed the afternoon pullback by 2 ticks from the other day, from the 25th. And then let's go to the chart. We have a new month starting tomorrow. Let's go to the charts. So inside week up so far has failed. It's a 3-week balance right now. Okay? Now, the daily, I was going to use, before M period really ripped, I said, yeah, it's a 3-day balance. Now I'm deciding, do I want to call it 3-day balance or incorporate this day? I'm not sure yet. So it's balanced. I'm curious to see what happens tomorrow, because if we do take it out today's low, I don't want to say we're officially down yet. I think I might use, this is what, Thursday? I might use Thursday's low. I'm not sure. It's still up in the air. And by the way, we traded above the 20 constantly this morning before we rolled over. But for now, regardless whether you want to call it 3-day balance or 4-day balance, we're in balance on all 3 of our time frames. I hope you had a good day trading today. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening. Rest up. Should be a busy day tomorrow. And we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.